Hello guys, today we are going to do little more problems from differentiation using chain rule. Okay, let's start. Okay, y equals e raised to x tan inverse x. E raised to x tan inverse x. What are the functions? First, exponential function. Then the second, inverse trigonometry function. Just trigonometry function. Okay, exponential function and trigonometry function. What is the derivative of two functions? How can you differentiate product of two functions, u and v? First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. That is the formula. Here first function is e raised to x. This is u and this one is v. So here dy by dx equals first function e raised to x into derivative of tan inverse x. That is in the formula, the list of formulas. So the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square plus second function into tan inverse x into derivative of first e raised to x. Okay, here you can simplify e raised to x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x e raised to x. That's fine. This is fine. Okay. This problem we didn't use the chain rule. Okay. Just I introduced the inverse trigonometry function. The differentiation of inverse trigonometry function. That is tan inverse x, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. The second one, y equals log 2x by cos inverse 5x. Okay, here there are two functions here. One is logarithmic function, the other one is trigonometry function. Here the two functions are in the u by v form. What is d by dx of u divided by v? Quotient rule. Apply the quotient rule. Here u is log 2x, v is cos inverse, v, that is v. V is cos inverse 5x. What is the formula? V into denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator square. That is the formula. Here we can apply, this is u and this one is v. Dy by dx equals v, this one is v and this one is u. Okay, cos inverse x, cos inverse 5x into derivative of log 2x. What is the derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of 2x is 1 by 2x into log u 1 by u. Then derivative of u. What is that? Times 2. Got it? Derivative of log 2x is 1 by 2x times 2. 2 can cancel. Next step we can do that. Minus u into log, u is log 2x. Log 2x into derivative of cos inverse x. What is that? Minus 1 by derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Here not x, u square, that is 5x the whole square. What is the square of 5x? 25x square. Then derivative of u. What is derivative of u? That is derivative of 5x. 5x is 5. Close the bracket. See, this much is the derivative of cos inverse 5x. What is the derivative of cos inverse 5x? What? Negative 1 by square root of derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That is the formula. Here 1 minus minus 1 by 1 minus cos inverse u. Derivative of cos inverse is 1 by minus 1 by root of 1 minus u square. Here 5x the whole square, that is 25x square into derivative of u, that is 5. Okay, here, so divided by cos inverse 5x the whole square. Where did you get that? Because v square, the formula v square. Okay, cos v is cos inverse 5x the whole square. So we can simplify this. Cos inverse 5x by x minus, see, minus into minus plus 5, I will write first, log 2x by square root of 1 minus 25x square divided by cos inverse 5x the whole square. See, that is the answer. This one is the answer. You got it? Next one. Y equals sec inverse 5x times cot log x. How can you differentiate this one? See, here product rule, apply the product rule. First function is u, second function is v. First function is trigonometric function, second function is also trigonometric function, cot log x, that is and logarithmic function also, because we are going to use the chain rule. Okay, first function dy by dx equals u times derivative of the second function. U, what is u here? Sec inverse 5x times, what is the derivative of cot log x? What is the derivative of cot x? D by dx of cot x is minus cosec square x, minus cosec square x. Here minus cosec square, what is u here? U is log x, minus cosec square u times, what is the derivative of u? That is log x. See, this is not a formula. Derivative of cot x is the formula. Cot u. Derivative of cot u is minus cosec square u. Here minus cosec square. What is u here? U is log x, minus cosec square log x times derivative of log x by x, or 1 by x. I am going to write in the denominator. Okay. Then first function into derivative of second plus second function cot log x into derivative of second. Derivative of second, sec inverse 5x. What is the derivative of sec x? Sec inverse x. Sec inverse x. 1 by x into square root of s square minus 1. That is the formula. 1 by x into square root of 1 by u into square root of u square minus 1. Here sec inverse, derivative of sec inverse 5x, 1 by square root of 1 by x into, x is 5x, 1 by u into, u is 5x, 5x times square root of 5x square, 25x square minus 1. First function into derivative of second, this one, plus second function into cot log x into derivative of first sec inverse u. What is the derivative of sec inverse u? That is the formula. 1 by u into square root of u square minus 1. Here u is 5x. 1 by 5x into square root of, what is the square of 5x? 25x square. 25x square minus 1. So I want to simplify this like minus comes first. Minus sec inverse 5x cos square log x by x, then plus cot log x by 5 into square root of 25x square minus 1. So this is the answer. You don't need to simplify further, just leave it like that. This is the answer. Okay, next one. Y equals tan inverse sin x. Tan inverse sin x by x square. Here, quotient rule. The denominator is u and numerator is u and denominator is v. So derivative of u by v. V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square. That is the formula. Here, dy by dx equals v is x square into derivative of the numerator. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? D by dx of tan inverse x equals 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Here, derivative of the numerator, 1 by 1 plus u square. U square is sin square. 1 by 1 plus sin square x. The square of sin x is sin square x times derivative of sin x, derivative of u, cos x. Okay. Then minus u into numerator into tan inverse sin x, numerator into derivative of the denominator. Derivative of x square is what? X raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Here 2x divided by square of x square, that is x to the power 4. Here x square cos x by 1 plus sin square x minus 2x tan inverse sin x divided by x to the power 4. This is the answer. Okay. Here there are two functions, division of two functions. The numerator is trigonometry function. Denominator is the algebraic function. So just apply the formula, quotient rule. Then you get the answer. Here, derivative of the numerator, we use the chain rule. Okay, the last one. Okay, y equals sin inverse x minus 1 divided by cosec inverse 2x. Here u is sin inverse x minus 1, v is cosec inverse 2x. Division of two functions, so we need to use the quotient rule. What is that? Dy by dx equals v into denominator into cosec inverse 2x into derivative of the numerator. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? Derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Here 1 by square root of 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square. Okay. Then derivative of u. What is the derivative of u? X minus 1. Derivative of x minus 1. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. So the answer is 1. So you don't need to multiply. Okay. Minus numerator u into numerator sine inverse x minus 1 times derivative of cosec inverse 2x. What is the derivative of cosec inverse 2x? If it is cosec, you need to put a negative one. A small difference in sec and cosec. Okay, cosec starts, an easy method is just remember, if it starts c, the answer should be a negative. Okay, so derivative of cosec inverse 2x is minus 1 by what is x here? 2x times what is the square of 2x? Square of 2x is 4x square minus 1. First function, u times derivative of the denominator. So what is the derivative of cosec inverse x? That is minus 1 by 2x into 4x square minus 1 times derivative of 2x, that is 2. You need to write that one also. Okay, derivative of 2x, 2, divided by cosec inverse 2x, the whole square. So we can simplify. 1 time cosec 2x is cosec inverse 2x is cosec inverse 2x divided by square root of 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square, minus into minus plus sine inverse x minus 1, 2 into x minus 1, 2, you can cancel 2, okay, so you don't need to write 2, okay, divided by square root of 4x square minus 1 divided by cosec inverse 2x the whole square. So this is the answer. Okay guys, take your pencil and paper, do all these problems 2-3 times. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you next time.